Join Ssb-Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
State in the country that gives free service to the people of the state of Goa. Whether it is a stent, whether it is a pacemaker, whether it's a dual pacemaker, or whether a person wants to opt today, he can even opt for a leadless pacemaker, is the type of work that is being done in the Goa Medical College and in the state of Goa. I stand in front of you not as a health minister but also as a citizen who has benefited out of the Goa Medical College. Goa Medical College not only has treated the people of the state of Goa, I myself am a beneficiary of Goa Medical College. Today with Dr. Guru Prasad and his whole team, the state is indebted to you for all the service that you put and what all you have been doing for the people of the state of Goa. Fraternity and people of the state of Goa also miss Dr. Manjunath Desai a lot. A person who was so committed and passionate about everything, and he would call back and he would check, if you tell him anything, that this is what is happening, what happened about it, is same. Not that our Dr. Amar also is there, Pankajam is there, Dr. Michelle is there, everybody is there, but all of you have actually created that environment, you have created that model, you have created that sensitive kind of a model that we have where you're totally committed and totally passionate about what you do for the people of the state of Goa.